nature lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at something that is equal parts craft, decor and wildlife sanctuary, wooden birdhouses. Whether you have a balcony in the city or a sprawling backyard, a wooden birdhouse is a beautiful way to invite feathered friends into your world. From classic cottages to modern architectural pieces, we will explore creative designs that are functional, stylish, and fun to build. Let's get inspired to create a safe and stunning home for our avian neighbors. Before we get into design, let's talk about why wood is the go-to material. Natural insulation. Wood keeps the interior cool in summer and warm in winter. Eco-friendly, sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood minimizes environmental impact. Easy to work with. Perfect for DIY projects using basic tools. Blends with nature. Wood's organic look integrates seamlessly into gardens or trees. A good birdhouse isn't just decoration, it is a real home. Sometimes timeless is best. Here are tried and true wooden styles. Simple gabled house. The classic pitched roof box with a circular entry hole. Paint it in neutral tones to match natural surroundings. Rustic log cabin. Use small branches or log slices for walls to give birds a cozy woodland retreat. Number 3. Victorian cottage. Add tiny windows, scalloped trim, and pastel paint for a storybook feel. Just make sure the interior remains simple for the bird's comfort. Number 4. Mailbox-inspired house. A charming twist that is easy to mount on a post or fence. For a sleek contemporary look. Number 1. Geometric cube. A clean square frame with a centered entry hole and sharp edges for a gallery-like vibe. Number 2. Mid-century, a frame. Triangular shape with contrasting wood stains and a single perch, retro yet functional. Number 3. Floating box. Mount a rectangular wooden box with hidden brackets to create a hovering effect on a wall or tree trunk. Number 4. Modular stack. Stack multiple cubes or hexagons to create a bird apartment complex, perfect for attracting different species. Make sustainability part of the design. Pallet wood house. Reclaimed pallet boards, sanded and sealed for a rustic budget-friendly option. Wine crate bird loft. Turn an old wooden wine box into a spacious multi-nest home. Scrap wood mosaic house. Use offcuts and irregular shapes to create a colorful patchwork facade. Tree stump conversion. Hollow out a small log section to create a natural cavity, perfect for camouflage. These designs prove that eco-friendly can be stylish. For those who like to turn functional items into conversation pieces, beach hut. Paint with nautical stripes and add a tiny surfboard cutout. Mini barn. Red painted siding, tiny silo, and white trim for farmyard charm. Castle tower, turrets and arched windows for a fairy tale effect. Treehouse replica. Build a tiny version of your own treehouse to delight kids and adults alike. Just remember to keep interiors safe, decorative. Extras should never block ventilation or drainage. Where and how you place the birdhouse matters as much as the design. Hanging houses. Use sturdy rope or chain and position away from predator access. Great for porches and covered patios. Pole-mounted houses. Perfect for open gardens. Install a predator guard on the pole. Tree-mounted houses. Blend naturally with the environment, but avoid damaging the tree. Use straps instead of nails. Wall-mounted clusters. Group small houses on a fence or exterior wall for a striking visual installation. Each option creates a different viewing experience for bird watchers. No matter which design you choose, these steps keep birds safe and happy. Entrance size. Match hole size to target species. Drainage and ventilation. Drill small holes in the base and sides to prevent moisture buildup. Non-toxic finishes. Use natural stains or low VOC paints only on the exterior. Easy cleaning. Add a hinged roof or side panel for annual cleanout. Predator protection. Avoid perches if possible. Predators can use them as footholds. And there you have it. Creative wooden birdhouse ideas ranging from rustic log cabins to sleek modern cubes. So until next time, happy decorating.